Hey Tesla owners! Are you tired of your Model Y center console feeling uncomfortable or looking worn out? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the top 5 best center console covers that will solve these problems and more. But before we get started, don't forget to check the description box below for links to all the products we'll be discussing and additional information. At number 5 is the BELINOUS center console cover. The BELINOUS center console cover is a game-changer for Tesla Model Y owners seeking both comfort and style. This quilted PU leather armrest cover not only adds a touch of elegance to your interior but also provides exceptional comfort during long drives. The 1-inch thick memory foam increases the armrest height, ensuring your elbow stays cozy throughout your journey. Crafted from durable artificial PU leather, this console protector shields your armrest from scratches and damage, maintaining your Tesla's pristine look. Installation is a breeze with elastic strap bands, eliminating any concerns about sticky residue. Plus, there's a hidden compartment beneath the elastic bands for added convenience. What sets the BELINOUS cover apart is its attention to detail. The unique quilted look adds a touch of sophistication to your Model Y's interior, elevating its overall aesthetic. This cover isn't just about protection, it's about enhancing the beauty of your Tesla's cabin. BELINOUS stands behind their product with an 18-month warranty and 24-hour customer service, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Features that we love: quilted PU leather design, 1-inch thick memory foam padding, easy installation with elastic straps, hidden storage compartment, 18-month warranty and 24-hour customer service. At number 4, we have the TPARTS wood center console cover, designed specifically for Tesla Model Y 2021 to 2024 and Model 3 2021 to 2023. If you're looking to add a touch of luxury and warmth to your Tesla's interior, this wood cover is an excellent choice. What makes this cover stand out is its premium woody texture that closely matches the OEM dashboard material. It's not just a look-alike. This cover is made from real, environmentally friendly wood. The attention to detail is impressive, with 3D precise scanning ensuring a perfect fit for your specific model year. Installation is straightforward thanks to the PETC positioning layer. The ultra-thin design means it won't interfere with the slide panel function, maintaining all the practicality of your center console. The automotive-grade adhesive used ensures a secure fit, but it's also easy to remove if needed, leaving no residue behind. Features that we love: real wood material with premium texture, 3D scan for precise fit, ultra-thin design preserves slide panel function, easy installation with PTC positioning layer, removable without residue. Taking the third spot is the Spigen center console non-slip armrest cover. Known for their phone cases, Spigen brings their expertise in protection to your Tesla's interior with this sleek and functional cover. This cover is built to last, made from high-quality TPE material. TPE is not only non-toxic but also highly resistant to scratches, ensuring your center console stays protected for the long haul. The material also provides a non-slip surface, keeping your arms stable even during sharp turns. What really sets this cover apart is its easy snap-on installation. It literally takes seconds to install, just align it and press down. The precision engineering ensures a seamless integration with your Tesla Model 3 or Y, maintaining the clean, minimalist aesthetic that Tesla owners love. Features that we love: high-quality, scratch-resistant TPE material, easy snap-on instant installation, precision engineered for seamless integration, non-slip surface for added stability, minimalist design that blends with Tesla's aesthetic. Runner-up on our list is the BASENOR 2024 newest Tesla Model 3 Model Y center console cover. This cover has gained popularity among Tesla owners, with over 500,000 satisfied customers, and it's easy to see why. The 2024 upgrade features a patented design that's custom-made using the latest digital measurements for Model Y and Model 3. This ensures a perfect fit that looks like it came straight from the Tesla factory. The color perfectly matches the Tesla seat color, creating a seamless integration with your vehicle's interior. Comfort is key with this cover. Made from high-quality TPE, it offers a soft and smooth touch while also being waterproof and dustproof. The non-slip surface adds an extra layer of safety and comfort during your drives. Installation is a breeze. Simply place it on the center console armrest, and it fits into place without any tools or adhesives required. Features that we love: patented design with perfect color match, high-quality TPE material, easy, tool-free installation, waterproof and dust-proof, non-slip surface for added safety. Our top pick for the best center console cover for Tesla Model Y is the BASENOR leather armrest cover. This premium cover combines luxury, comfort, and practicality in one sleek package. The 2024 upgrade of this cover features a custom design that's been a hit with over 500,000 Tesla owners. It's crafted to fit perfectly on 2016 to 2023 Model 3 and 2020 to 2024 Model Y, with no visible branding to maintain the clean Tesla aesthetic. What sets this cover apart is its premium materials. The high-quality PU leather exterior not only looks and feels luxurious but also provides excellent protection against wear and tear. Underneath, a layer of memory foam offers unparalleled comfort, molding to your arm for personalized support during long drives. Installation is a breeze with wide elastic bands, requiring no tools or adhesives. This method also creates a hidden storage compartment between the cushion and the armrest box, perfect for keeping small valuables out of sight. Features that we love: premium PU leather exterior, memory foam padding for superior comfort, easy, no-tool installation with elastic bands, hidden storage compartment, waterproof and dust-proof protection. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best center console covers for Tesla Model Y. Whichever one you choose, you're sure to enhance both the comfort and style of your Tesla's interior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tesla accessory reviews.